Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application. In the left sidebar, click on the Calendar tab, then New Meeting button. In the meeting window, add participants by typing their names or email addresses. Specify the date and time for your meeting. Use the calendar icon to choose the date and the clock icon to set the time, and select the time zone. Once everything is set up, click on the Send button to schedule the meeting. Participants will receive an email notification and the meeting will appear on their Teams calendar. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.